Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to hide the applications from the home screen on this device. Here I am going to hide the messages application from the home screen. Actually, before hide the application, we need to set a password for this application. Okay, here you can see I am going to open this and there is no password is there. Now I will show you how to set a password for this application. For that, go to settings, then scroll down. Here you can see the option fingerprint, face and password. Tap on it. Then tap on set privacy password. Here we need to set the privacy password. Here I am going to set it. Again verify the password. Then enter the answers or some security questions. You can enter any answer. After that, tap on done. Okay, and here you can see the option app lock. Tap on it. So from here you have to select the application that you want to hide. First we need to lock it. Here I am going to lock the application messages. Okay, after that tap on lock one. If you want to use the fingerprint, then you can use it, otherwise you can cancel it. Okay, now go to home page and here you can see the messages application is there. Now I am going to open this application. Yeah, they are asking for the password. I am going to tap on verify password and to enter the privacy password. You can see the message application is opened now. Now I will show you how to hide the application from the home screen. For that, again go to settings, tap on privacy, scroll down, tap on app lock, enter the privacy password. From here you have to select the application that you lock now. Message, you can see one lock symbol is also there. Tap on message and turn on the option hide home screen icon. You can see one message. When hidden, you can view the app by entering the access number on the dial pad. This does not require verifying the lock password. Now I am going to turn this option hide home screen icon. You can see it does not display the recent task and it do not display the notification also. Now go to home screen. Here you can see the application is hidden from the home screen. Okay. Now I will show you how to access this application. To access this application, we need to set an access number. For that, again go to settings, tap on privacy, tap on app lock, enter the privacy password. Tap on settings. On the top right corner you can see settings. You can see the option change access number. You can see when app icons are hidden on the home screen, you can view them by entering the access number on the dial pad. Okay, tap on change access number and here we need to set our new access number. The format of access number is hash and the number, then again hash. I will show you hash and 142. This is my number, then again hash and the number, then again hash. After that, tap on done on the top right corner. You can see the message. Please remember that your access number is hash 142 hash. Tap on OK. Then go back. You can see the app is hidden from the home screen. To access this application, open your dial pad. Then here we need to enter that access number hash 142 hash. You can see the application is here. You can simply open it. Okay, so in this way you can hide the applications from the home screen on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this one, please like and share and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more updates. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.